Check this out, I'm getting ready for springtime and Powersmart sent me this gas lawnmower, so we're gonna check it out. All right, there's the bag. The instructions. It's also got the side chute. Now I thought I was gonna have to put this together, but it looks like it's completely intact. Everything's all together. That's really cool. This one is self-propelled. You can see underneath that is where the belt is, and that drives the rear wheels. Some people like front wheel drive, some people like rear wheel drive. It's all preference, but the blade looks pretty good. Nice and sharp. So that's where the oil is, down in there, so pull that out. That's nice that it comes with its own oil. Here's where you add and check the oil, down below. They come with a funnel, so that makes it a lot easier to add the oil. Add the oil it comes with. So check your oil level, fill that up, and just double check the level. All right, we'll just cut those wire tires off. Unfold this. It just slides up. Does come with these tools, a couple of bolts, that's for the handle, and then this clip that's going to clip down the cables, clip on the cables. And then for the bolts, get the bolt there and right there. I'll snug those down. Snug that down. It's looking good. Adjustments right here. Oh, that's nice. So this adjusts the whole axle. And then same with the back. So that adjusts the whole axle. I like that. You're gonna add the bagger right there. So you're gonna come in a little higher, open this up, slides on like that, nice and easy. I like that. And the side chute, lift that up. It clips right in there. That's easy as well. Overhead valve, air filters right there. All right, let's put some gas in it and start it up. So pull that pull cord up to that position. You're gonna pull the handle down when you're pulling that pull cord up to that position. Make sure you keep everything clear just in case it starts. But so you're gonna prime it first. 1, 2, 3. All right, it starts right up. Sounds good. So there it is. I'm excited to try it out once spring comes. Easy to set up. Just put oil and gas in it, put a couple bolts in it, and you're good to go.